Let's put it together. Bus, truck, parking lot. The driver has great driving skills. Some can transport goods, while others can carry people. Let's experience it together. I'm Kiki the Truck Driver. This is the work we need to complete today. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle checked. The license plate is fine. The rear view mirrors are clean. The tire is fine. Uh-oh, we're low on gas. Let's refuel the vehicle. The vehicle is gassed up. Now it is ready for action. Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. There's not enough room here. Great! The loading is done. Fasten your belt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. Yeah! We made it to our destination! Help me unload the goods! Not this one. Well done! See you next time! To be of help to you all! Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work!